Hi, today let's make Mangalore style nang fish fry or sole fish fry. Now in a blender, let's start making the masala. The ingredients are listed on the screen. So I've added in turmeric powder, coriander seeds, tamarind, salt, dry red chilies which is small and big, and then added in water and made a paste. Now you can store this paste in the fridge for at least 30 days. Don't add any kind of hand. Whenever you're adding the masala, add spoon and then you can store it for at least 30 days. Just before marinating the fish, add in some ginger garlic paste. Now I've taken the masala. Now the fish is being neatly cut and cleaned. Now marinate the fish really very well. Marinate it at least for 30 minutes, but overnight would be great because it'll get all the flavors infused in the fish, and that fish will taste very good. And then see how beautifully the fish looks. It's been marinated, and when you're frying, just before you fry, add a generous amount of semolina or rava over it, and you can fry the fish in medium flame. Crispy, tasty nang fish fry, or it's called a sole fish fry, is ready to serve. You can have it with rice, rasam, or your fish fry. You can use this masala for any kind of fish fries which you're making it. Trust me, you'll love it. This is an authentic Mangalore style fish fry. This is my mom's recipe. I've inherited it. So if you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and enjoy. Don't forget to comment below as well. Just one tip, as I always say, when you're frying the fish, fry it in medium flame, and that is when the fish will turn crispy and juicy from inside. Enjoy and subscribe.